Hey everyone, and welcome back to the video series called Built for This. Micah Morgan here, along with Josh Osmer and Tyler from TNT Surfaces. And today we're on a job site in Sugar Grove, and wanted to show you kind of a couple things in terms of some tile work that's been going on here. So Josh, I'll turn it over to you and Tyler.
Okay, well, Tyler's one of my tile installers. They do a great job, very critical about making sure that the layout's correct, because if it's not correct, it can really come back to haunt you. A lot of times people just kind of start laying tile in a room, but this tile is kind of unique. It has a lot of different colors and a lot of different veins, and I know, Tyler, you guys had dry laid this tile out in the other room on the floor. Each wall surface, the ceiling, every plane was laid individually. You guys mixed the tiles around to make sure that they looked great, and then I know there was all kinds of other layout things going in here. What's something that was unique to this specific room and this tile size that you guys did?
Well, there's a lot of miters in here too.
Yeah, there is. There's a ton of miters in this
So
room.
laying out everything with all the miters is pretty tricky as well, and it takes a lot of time to fabricate all those miters.
And another thing that we had to lay out is from the floor to the ceiling. The ceiling was 5/8 of an inch too high, so we had to drop the ceiling 5/8 in order to have a full tile at the bottom and a full tile at the top.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it would have looked chopped together.
Yeah, so what would have looked like if you didn't do that? You would have
had to put a 6-inch or 6 or 8-inch piece at the top and one at the bottom, and it just wouldn't look, proportionate.
It just wouldn't look seamless as it does now. Gotcha. So lots of detail to take into consideration when working with tile, especially on this job with this type of tile. So
Yeah.
I don't know.
He also had to take into consideration the tub deck height. That's another fixed point along with the floor. And when you're working with another object that's a fixed dimension like the tile, you just got a lot of different areas to take into consideration. So dropping that ceiling, the 5/8 was kind of the way that everything got corrected.
Gotcha.
To make sure they had full dimension tile everywhere.
Sure. So really, the moral of the story here is it's not just as easy as taking tile out of a cart and throwing it on a wall or a ceiling or a floor, right? So what we want to make sure of is that we do our diligence, lay things out, attention to detail, and really providing a quality finish and product for all of our customers. So thanks, Josh. Thanks, Tyler, for being on today. And that'll wrap us up for today. Again, if you're interested in starting a conversation with any of us, look us up on the website, find your local builder, and we're always more than willing and able to have a conversation with you and talk you through what your dream tile shower or bathroom could be. So from Micah, Josh, and Tyler, that'll wrap us up for today. We'll see you same time, same place next week. Thanks.